Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Windows crashes that occur after an update and prevent your system from booting. And now let's get started. If you are experiencing Windows crashes right after an update, preventing your computer from booting correctly, there are a couple of troubleshooting steps you can take. First, we will try uninstalling the problematic update. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab, and then choose Update History. You will see an option called Uninstall Updates. Click on this option and wait for it to load. Once the list of installed updates appears, select the most recent update that you suspect is causing the issue, and then click on Uninstall. You may be prompted to confirm, so click Uninstall once again. Allow the process to complete. After the update is uninstalled, check if your system boots normally and the crashing issue is resolved. If uninstalling the update does not resolve the problem, the next step is to perform a system file check scan. To do this, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Once it appears in the search results, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. In the Administrator Command Prompt window that opens, type the command sfc:/scannow and press Enter. This will initiate the System File Checker scan, which will check for and attempt to repair corrupted system files that might be causing your boot issues. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.